Friends, today we are going to draw a cute baby cheetah. I hope you all are doing well. I know it's been a while, but we are going to get started with this cute baby cheetah. So today I'm using a pencil and I have a eraser handy, so you can grab an eraser, a pencil. I would suggest that we will have some lines that we may need to erase, but remember, as I've said in other videos, mistakes are our friends. So any lines that you do not want, you can easily erase. If you're using a pencil, if you're not using a pencil, you can draw over it or color over it. Mistakes are our friends. We learn from our mistakes. So what we're going to do, let's go ahead and start with the head of our baby cheetah. And that's going to look like this, just a simple circle right in the middle. And it could be as large as you'd like or as small as you'd like. This is about as small as I'm going to do for right now. One thing another reason why I'm suggesting using a pencil is because while we're drawing, we may need to go and change the shape of a few things. And I'll show you how to do that. Whenever you're drawing, with a pencil, you can always go back and change the shape of something. It's never the final drawing or the final lines. So you can always change it. So we'll start with this head shape. I think I will probably round that out just a little bit more. So from here, what we're going to do, we're going to draw right about, it's gonna bring it down here. We're gonna do kind of like a heart shape. Let's kind of start right about here. And this is gonna be the outline of the legs of our baby cheetah. And I'll show you how that looks. So it looks almost like a heart. Some of these lines will not be here by the end of the drawing. So we're gonna have a circle here, and then this does not have to meet, so you don't need to bring these two lines together. We're gonna keep them separate. But what I'm drawing, or what we're drawing today, kind of resembles a heart. The body of the cheetah. So we have that there. What we're going to do next, we're going to connect the head. We're actually going to go ahead and put the lines for the body, which will go in front of this. These curves are the curves of our back hind legs. Cheetahs, they sit on their bottom and they have their hind legs out. So from here, what we're going to do, we're going to take a line right about here, and we're going to slightly curve it all the way down to about here. So just curve that line going there. We're going to do the same thing that we did here. We're going to do it on this side. So you just curve. And even for myself, sometimes one side doesn't look like the other, even though I want it to be identical. But sometimes they're not, and that's okay. And you can take any lines that you want to erase. You can take your trusty little eraser and erase those lines, just like so. So next, what we're going to do, we are going to erase these two lines. We don't need these lines anymore. They were like kind of a guide for the body of our cheetah. So we're going to erase those. Then what we'll do next is right about here and right about here, we're going to draw a line going down. And then right here, what we'll do, we'll take a line right here about in the middle. We're going to take a line across like so. Let's take that one down and that one down. we're going to bring the feet, the bottom of the feet, right about here. So what we'll do here, you're going to draw a circle for the paw. So we'll just do, you'll curve it, and then you'll flatten that like so. And then you can either use these, if you have any lines here that are in the paw, you can either use that as the markers for the toe of the toes of the paw, like so. Or if you want, you can erase it like this, like so. And then we'll just do 2 lines right here at the bottom for the toes of the paw, like that. And we'll do the same thing that we did here. We're gonna do it on this side. And from here, what I do want to do, I think we should bring these 2 lines down a little further to be closer to the front paws. So all you do is, if you're drawing with the pencil, you'll just bring that down. If you're not drawing with the pencil, that's not a problem. All you do is just take another line of whatever item, whatever you're using, whether it's a pen or marker, and you'll just add another line. So we're just going to do this here, bring this up here, like so. And then for the back paws, what we can do, we can right about here, see this corner here where everything is meeting, we can bring just a slight curve on out to show those back paws, and you just bring a line right there. And we're going to do the same thing on this side. Remember, right here in this corner where everything is meeting up, we're going to take that out like so and bring it to that bottom. And an easy way to figure out where to stop, you just try to bring that on across like so. And then next, before we get to the head, let's go ahead and draw the tail. And see, as I was saying, when you're drawing with a pencil, you can go back, you can erase any lines that you don't want to keep in the final image. You can see how I'm just going over that some. And so drawing with the pencil and having an eraser is very helpful, especially with more detailed drawings, because you can erase. But there's nothing wrong with using a pencil, ink pen, or marker. You just have, and just know that if you make a mistake, it's okay. So let's go ahead and add the tail. So the tail is going to start right about here. So you see this line for the back paw? We're going to continue that. So starting right about here, let's just curve that line down. We'll just make it curvy like so. You'll curve the bottom, bring it up, and there we go, and just curve it. And it doesn't have to be this curvy. You can make it how curvy you want, but you just want that tail to come down from the back of the cheetah. So we have the legs, we have the body, we have the front legs, we have the paws, we have the tail. So now let's get to the head of our cheetah. So what we can do here, again, you can change the shape. You can make it smaller, you can make it larger, however you'd like. Because it's a baby, the eyes are going to be further apart and they're going to be smaller, right? So what we'll do, just gonna Erase that a little bit. So what we'll do here, let's go ahead and add the ears. So we're going to do the ears. A good place to know where you want to start the ears. How about this? Well, you'll see this line here, or this point. Just bring it up, not drawing it, but just bringing your pencil over it, guiding it up to here. So we'll make a mark here. Same thing on this side, make a mark there. And that'll be the inside line of our ears. So we're going to curve it. It's going to be a curve. So you can watch me first if you want. We're just going to bring it up like so. Like that. We'll do the same thing on this side. Curve it over, just like that. And then what we'll do for the inside of the cheetah, we're going to draw the same line. We're going to follow that line, but on the inside, but a little bit closer in to draw the inside of the ear, like so. And then we'll do that again on the inside. That's the inside of our cheetah. And then the eyes also will be further apart, just like the ears. We're gonna bring the eyes right about, let's do this area again where the line is. And just draw a long oval shape, like so. We'll bring that over here too. We want the mouth actually closer to the bottom of the face. So let's start with the triangle right about here. So you draw a line, then we're going to curve that down like so. Oh, it's an upside down triangle, I'm sorry. Or you can say a heart shape like that. And then we'll bring 2 lines to the side for the nose, because this is the nose. And cheetahs, they have that ridge on the side for their nose. It's just really small. And then we're just gonna draw a smile. We're gonna start from the middle, that bottom middle point right there. And you just draw it on up. And it's smiling. A happy cheetah. And then from here, we're going to draw the whiskers. So the whiskers will be down here near the nose. We're gonna draw 3 going out like so. 1, 2, and 3. Same thing on this side. 1, 2, and 3. There's our baby cheetah. And going to make these eyes just a tad bit smaller, even though, again, and this is just an example, if you ever want to change anything just because it leaves a mark, you can try to erase as much as you want, but that's okay. It is okay because you're going to color it in. I actually just want to make them a little smaller, like so. And you can add eyelashes if you'd like. You can add hair. You can add a bow to your cheetah. And we'll just color this in. We can add spots. So you'll add your spots, right? And your spots don't have to be in a certain pattern. Cheetah spots are all over the place. They're different sizes. And you just have fun and just add different spots. You can do all over the place. You can do them different sizes like so. You don't even have to, they are not perfect in real life. So you don't have to draw them perfect. Just put some spots everywhere like how I'm doing. We're gonna make these front paws a little darker. We're gonna shade that on in. And there we go. There's our baby cheetah. And if you like, you can add, oh, we didn't add the two toe prints on the back paw. And there we go. There's our baby, cute baby cheetah. I hope you all enjoyed this tutorial today. And if you have any questions, please feel free to message me or leave them in the comments below. And I'd love it if you would please like this video, share it with a friend who you think would enjoy it and would love to draw. And also subscribe if you haven't already done so. And I look forward to tomorrow, where there'll be a brand new Sketch with Shanda tutorial. And until next time, friends.